In this video, we're going to go over the 6 most important things to know when you have asthma. My name is Justin Vandermark and I have asthma, so I feel very confident in going over this information with you. So first things first, what is asthma? Asthma is a chronic lung condition that affects the airways and causes inflammation. This inflammation causes spasms and narrowing of the airways, which leads to wheezing, breathlessness, and coughing. So now that we know exactly what asthma is, let's go deeper into what are the 6 topics for asthma. And the 6 topics are what my future videos will be diving deeper into. And that will be breathing exercises, cardio, especially fitness, since I'm getting more into that. Children with asthma, because a lot of things that my mom could have done to help me go through asthma and make it easier to deal with asthma. We're also going to go over recipes, because I want to go over juices to help not cure it, but at least alleviate a lot of the symptoms of it. And most importantly, I want to go over the triggers. There are 8 triggers, more, but there's 8 main triggers of asthma. And those asthmas can affect both children and adults. So if you're liking this information, please smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, please. I'm going to be going over more information in my future videos about these triggers, about different breathing exercises, fitness and cardio, especially children with asthma. I really want to touch on that basis, especially since I have a big family and I have a lot of nieces and nephews. And I'd like to know this in case they do have it. My little brother has asthma, so I know what to do when he has an asthma attack. You know, I have my inhalers that I carry with me, my albuterol. You know, this is my fast acting one. I also use QVAR, so I'll go more into medication as well. Hopefully it doesn't get that severe, since I have chronic severe asthma. Hopefully it doesn't get too severe for other people. But we're gonna go more into these videos, go more into these subjects, these topics. So if you have any comments, or if you want me to go into anything special in asthma, just comment it down below so I can do even more research for you guys and have some very pristine and well researched information. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Again, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will be catching you guys next week. Thanks, guys.